Good morning, fishermen. Here we are. Magpies are still at it. The sun's up. Let's go and get some fish. Rightio, fishermen, got a fish on. Southeaster's just starting to pick up too. Doesn't work too well here in the southeaster. There are other spots to go that are more productive in a southeaster. Ruto. Still got a fish on. I was just having a cup of tea. Been productive this morning. Yep, this one will be going back. It's hooked in the mouth. You can see it. Oh, there we go. Small, but well shaped. It's a jack. So we can put them back. There we go. What a stunning little fish. Perfect proportions. It's only about 2.5 pounds. Hey, Gabe got a can of himself. Put him back where he came from. Just drop him over the side. See ya, fishy.